low and fast. How can we fix that?
Power, am I number 2 or number 3? 8 Yankee Whiskey.
Power.
Diamond 8 Yankee Whiskey, you're number 3 following the Cessna at your 12 o'clock turning base now, wing up.
Compensate.
Traffic inside 8 Yankee Whiskey.
Low, dude.
Power. On my 71. At my speed. Too low.
Traffic not available.
At what time do the lights don't matter?
County Fire.
Once you got the runway made.
Across midfield
Yeah,
or
I got
south
it made.
midfield?
Okay, so right here, go ahead. Use throttle. That was down again.
Down.
Anytime you reduce throttle,
at or
those has to
above
start coming down, right?
1,800 approved as requested.
Nose down.
Down.
Go up 100 feet to
There's power.
1,800. Don't drift. So left rudder. Left rudder.
Flight tower, pretty one, Santa
There you go. A little bit of
west transition.
Middle.
Okay. Let it sink.
Heading.
Nose up.
Up. Up. Up. Up. Up. Up. Up. Up. Up.
Nice.
Oh,
PD
wow.
One notch of flaps.
West transition approved. The Almighty
One notch.
altimeter
No rush.
278.
Full power. Full power. Right
Power.
El Monte, helicopter 3070, uniform 210,
Rotate.
605, go west 210.
Helicopter 307 uniform 0, Monte Tower, west 210 approved. The Almighty altimeter 2978.
That's when I missed the Yankee Whiskey.
There you go. 73. Nice and easy. Slowly.
Helicopter 70 uniform, roger, thanks.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Alright, so the sun has disappeared.
We're good. Clear.
Right rudder.
Climbing. And right rudder. There we go, so we don't drift. 20 degrees. Oh, 20. Climbing.
Oh, there's the county fire.
Turning again.
700, left on this.
Cherokee 700, roger, number 2, following Diamond Star. 1.5 mile final, runway 19, clear to land.
Number 2, runway 19,
Okay.
Traffic.
County Fire 17, resume own navigation, early frequency change approved.
17, thanks. See you on the way back.
Yep.
North.
Good. Now just wait there. Perfect. Attaboy.
700, negative contact, call us space, please.
So we're number 3, so keep on flying. Fly towards those lights, the group of white lights over there. Just look at we're coming in.
700, turn
I'm going
base.
to the north.
Turning base 700.
And Pilot Romeo, number 3, following Cherokee, turning left base over Irwindale Speedway, runway 19, cleared for the option.
Number 3, continuing on downwind, looking for the Cherokee, clear for the option 19, 5 Echo Romeo. So leave that power there. We got to keep going. So hold 1,300 feet. I'm sorry, 1,300, proper terminology. Right? Looking for the Cherokee who's over here over Irwindale Speedway somewhere.
Okay, somewhere.
That might be him on the TIS, on the traffic information system, but I don't judge that because that has a delay on it. Okay. So I'm going to keep looking.
At what point is it safe to continue?
It's probably him. Oh no, we have to keep going. He told us to continue downwind.
And we're third.
There he is.
He is.
5 Echo Romeo has a Cherokee in sight.
75 Echo Romeo, roger.
Okay, so there he is. So now throttle 12, 1 notch of flaps, and we'll fly downwind, well actually base with 1 notch of flaps. So right away, go ahead, 1 notch.
What number are we? 1 notch.
We're number 3 for landing.
Okay, so we can...
Right, clear right.
Have you seen the other one?
Yeah.
Clear right.
He's over there now.
Okay.
So we're going to just leave it at takeoff flaps.
Oh, you're
Diamond
far.
8 Yankee Whiskey, turn left at Echo, contact ground.
Left at Echo, contact ground 8 Yankee Whiskey.
So just leave takeoff flaps until we're on final. There's traffic in the area.
Cessna 86 Lima, number 3, following Diamond Star. 2.5 to 3 mile right base to final. Report traffic and
Okay,
stuff.
turn right again.
Turning right again.
Number 3, looking for traffic, 86 Lima.
Can you turn on the
PD1,
instruments?
frequency change approved, so long.
I did.
Light?
I turned the lights on.
P1, let's say that.
Turning.
Helicopter 70 uniform, traffic 11 o'clock.
20 degrees.
1 mile, same direction, PD helicopter, low level. Frequency change approved.
Okay, 70 uniform, organized, looking.
Alright, it's getting dark and hazy. This will be our last one. On the landing, on touchdown, we'll clear at Echo, okay? Alright, so this is all you here. This is all your judgment.
Okay.
Cessna 86 Lima, number 3, damage to our 2-mile final, runway 19 cleared for the
We're
option.
too far, so I'm not gonna extend flaps yet.
Number 3, close to
We're way too fast.
runway 19er.
We're fast.
86 Lima.
Are we? What speed should we be on final?
We should be...
We should be 71. We're going 90. So just pull up a little bit, let the speed catch up. You can add power though. Remember, throttle controls altitude. We're still low, so add a little bit of power. Now go full flaps right about there.
Traffic not available.
Full flaps. This is where we should be. 500 AGL,
Cherokee
1 mile.
700, turn left at Echo, contact ground, good night.
Down. Okay. Now I need to reduce... Okay, reduce power.
Not so much, we're still low. Why are you reducing power if we have 2 reds? Yeah. We don't have the runway made yet. We're still about half a mile away.
Money Tower, Bonanza 90908, Quebec, holding sir 19er Bravo for southbound departure.
Okay. Holding...
Bonanza 19er 8, Quebec, Money Tower, roger.
Once you bring the nose down, you continue the descent, then reduce power. Otherwise, don't reduce it when you're level. You're going to stall. Right? Okay. That'll kill you right there.
71.
Alright, so a little less power, nose down a little bit. There you go, a little left rudder.
Left rudder.
Right bank. To correct for the wind drift. See that?
This power, this power, this power.
There you go. Keep the right bank. Don't let it go.
Idle.
Alright.
Winds level.
Full idle.
Full idle.
Nose up.
Nose up, 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 up.
Right there.